Hey, what's up guys? So I've been sitting on 7 weeks worth of data on this platform and kept telling myself one more session just to be sure. And at some point you just have to stop second guessing and show people what you found. So that's what this is. My account, live session, no prep. And then after the demo, I want to talk about two things that I think are actually more important. Why this specific tool makes sense now, and one thing I wish someone had told me earlier about staying safe. Okay, opening a browser and going to the site. And link is in the description and pinned in the comments for anyone who wants to check this out themselves. So there's the main dashboard. Everything I need to configure is right here. First, I choose the asset for mining. And I want to point out that the platform runs on multiple blockchains at once, which allows me to work with whatever I already have. No need to go buy something specific just to use the platform. So BNB is set. Next, power settings. So think of this as basically a performance style. It controls how hard the system works during my session. More power means more output, but also a slightly higher coverage at the end, so it's worth a second of thought.
Okay, happy with my settings. Press start. Good, mining started. So right here, I've got the console showing me everything live, how long it's been going, how much power is being used, my session progress, my unique code, and a live log window that I always screen because it shows exactly what's happening inside the system. So now I wait a few minutes, and then I'll show you how to get tokens out. Okay guys, I stopped this, done, and here there's the summary of how many BNB came out. That's it. So first I add my receiving address, that's done. Next, I cover the platform's charge for using infrastructure. It's calculated from the power settings I chose and how long the mining ran. Nothing more than that. And what I genuinely like about this, I can use any token I want, or wallet connect option that does everything automatically. But I'll do it manually so you can see exactly what happens. Everything done, I confirm transaction, and now wait for the system to process. Comes through pretty fast. So while it's confirming, the whole idea of cloud mining is built around remote infrastructure. There are professional data centers out there running industrial-grade mining hardware at scale. And this platform connects users to that existing computing power. User configures parameters, and the infrastructure does the computational heavy lifting on the data center side. All the operational complexity is on the infrastructure side, and what reaches the end user is just the result. And here's what actually makes this interesting right now. The market we're in at the moment is honestly a tough one for most passive strategies. Staking rewards are down across the board. Price swings make holding uncomfortable, and a lot of things that worked well 18 months ago just feel risky now.
And cloud mining through a properly built platform is one of the few things that actually sidesteps that problem, because what you earn here has nothing to do with whether the market goes up or down today. You're stacking returns on assets you already own, and the output keeps coming. That's actually a pretty rare thing right now. And okay, the most important thing I want to say, that experience taught me something really specific. The people who lost the least weren't the most experienced people in the room. They were just the ones who had one simple habit. They moved their tokens to their own wallet after every single session instead of leaving them sitting on the platform. So now, that's what I do every time without exception. Session ends, assets go to my personal wallet. No delays, no I'll do it later. That's my honest take. Nothing more, nothing less. Peace.